We are inside now, and I weighed the potatoes, 2.6 pounds. And these are the product of, I believe, 6 half potatoes, which is 3 whole potatoes that had eyes, and I cut it. And this is what I got. And so the weight of these potatoes is almost the weight of the store-bought organic potatoes. So now I'm gonna wash them. The smaller ones today we'll make in the air fryer with a little bit olive oil, garlic, and fresh rosemary. These I just have to wash them, rinse them well, and you just pop them in your mouth. They're just awesome. And the larger ones I'm gonna keep, can make French fries out of it. This baby, this is not a baby, but this is the largest potato. And then there were 3 of them, 3 stalks. They had little baby potatoes. So I just put them back, cover them, the roots, and water them, and hopefully I should get some more potatoes. And I still have the large bag, which I did a video on February, and those will be probably ready around August. And maybe these ones that I replanted might be ready for August too. So this was a grow bag. Don't have to do really much of it. When you start the soil, maybe put a little bit of fertilizer, organic, please, if possible. This is the biggest problem with potatoes grown now, they're not organic. Insecticides, they spray soil, they spray the potatoes. Well, that's all right. You can find out yourself if you go on the internet how potatoes grown not organically. Oh, my adventure begins with a little bit of cooking today, not much. I will cure the other potatoes, and this one, unfortunately, I have to cut because, as you see, I had competition. Someone liked this potato more than I. Anyway, have a great Sunday. I'm gonna go and take care of these today, and just enjoy a day of rest. Ciao belli. I'm closing today's videos with a shot of some of the seeds that I planted here. As you can see, I have corn, green beans, a couple of squashes, the round ones, and also a kind of experimental area. And I have watermelon, some lettuces, chard, carrots in the background, a tomato, and watermelon. Looking forward to the watermelon, and I'll keep you updated on this one. As you see, this one is a raised bag. Well, it's a raised container, really. It's not a raised bag. It has legs, and I also really like this. It shows me whether I need to water it soon or not. So this is really a good thing to have. Well, last video, I promise. Ciao belli, buona domenica.